Hey friends, it is Beauty by Haley Garber, and we're going to do this ultra tousled updo today. I know it's been so long since I've done a YouTube video. So sorry, life happened, but I got a new mic, so I should be like crystal clear now coming through your speakers. So we're going to start off with a micro crimp prep. I have a new crimper. This is the tool from Lala's Updos. It is the Lala's prep tool. And just like always, we're going to be taking paper thin sections and just running that crimper down the hair, and you're going to see it smooth out that bump up top there, and you can see the nice crimp press that it gives. It's not too deep. It's a great mid-range, don't press too hard, soft crimp that's going to give us control over the hair. Now we're going to section off the crown, and it's not a perfect sectioning, as you can tell, and clip that out of the way, and we're going to put the rest in a ponytail. But I pulled out all those little babies there at the very base of her neck, and you'll see why soon. And we're going to just tie that up into a nice snug ponytail as many times as you need. Take the ponytail into two, and then we're going to loop and tie it into a knot. So it's literally just a knot, push it up, and pin that knot into place. Go right alongside the knot. So slide those pins horizontally onto the head, and then gently pinch and pull, leave those tails out on the sides. Now we're going to take the rest of the hair, and I'm using a flat iron to alternate curls throughout the rest of the head, except for on the sides. I leave those out. We're going to just kind of fluff it up, see where that's going. The crimper that we did, that micro crimp prep, it's still in there underneath that curl, and it's giving us all that really luscious volume. And then we're going to manipulate the hair to see where it wants to lay. So I kind of split that up into two sections, and here you can see I just kind of bounce the hair around to let it naturally form that texture for me, and pin that into place gently, and those pins are going to slide into those horizontal pins that we placed earlier. Now watch closely, because it's secured enough, I can pinch and pull and create my shape like magic, right? So the rest of these we're going to take from around the face and curl back, and then we're going to gently take these large sections again. I'm leaving out some extra pieces a little bit behind the ears even, because we want that extra undone look and feel, and we're going to pin that into place, and then take some of those extra tails that are hanging down at that bun and just pin those underneath. And then we're going to take the flat iron again, curl out all of our detail pieces, keep detailing, gotta make sure we get that shape just right. And voila, there we go. We have our ultra tousled updo. I hope you loved it. See you next time.